Hello there, my name is Chewy Chong and I'm a proud Honda CRV owner. So take a look at this. This right here is my, I guess, brand new CRV. There's about 4,000 miles on it. I got it about 4 months ago. And the primary reason why I bought this car was because of her. Say hi, pork chops. Hello. We like the soundings of this car. It's a CRV all-wheel drive. I don't know exactly what the LX, EX, I got no idea all the different trims. And this is the car. But one of the problems I'm having recently is the car has about 4,000 miles on it. And it started making this really weird, like a croaking noise. So take a look. That's my mileage right there. So if you take a look at this, well, this whole video is for you to hear the problem I'm having. I've been reading about other people having this issue on the forums, but unfortunately it doesn't look like Honda is doing a very good job at trying to fix this problem. Heck, they might not even know what the problem is. So this video hopefully can help the Honda guys and other potential buyers figure out this problem or be aware of this problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on tape recorder. I'm gonna put it right here. In my kind of forum research, this seems to be a problem that's resulting from the rear differential doing something kind of weird. So I'm just putting the microphone right there. The rear differential should be like right above the rear tire, so the differential should be sitting right there. I'm going to close the seat here so you can hear more of that noise and less of me yapping. Alright, I am going to produce probably two versions of this video. One that just simply includes the highlights of everything, plus one long one of my trip to take my baby to daycare, then off to work.